The first Cybertruck dually in the whole world, SEMA 2024. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Day 4 for the vlog series. Day 1 officially of the SEMA show today. I hope you guys are excited for some great content today. Let's get this bread. Testing out my mic for the booth today. We got about 30 minutes before the show is actually open to the public, and we're finishing putting up a couple of wheels. I'm trying to upload your YouTube video for yesterday that you guys would have seen and put in some orders for some customers. Busy morning this morning. We're gonna do a little bit of mic'd up content for you guys today. I'm excited. We'll see how that goes, I guess. Let's get this bread. What's up guys, this is SEMA 2024 Day 1. We're at the KG1 Forge booth. Before we get the day started, I wanna show you guys the newest size from KG1 Forge, the only one in the world, our new 30x14 and our newest cut.
1 minute until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it.
The 30x16 is just a little too wide for you. The 14 wide forging is the perfect fit for that truck of yours. And I heard through the grapevine that Fury's got a 40-inch tire that fits perfectly on this 30. If you guys want to see the new size and the new cut, make sure to come check us out in the South Hall. It's SEMA 2024. Let's get it.
See the show. 20 more minutes until I'm on. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Niggas, you want me cause I got the dope. That's that girl right on my friend, give me go. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. I hit it fast, yeah, I hit it slow. Bye bye the morning, girl, I gotta go. Gotta get ready, tonight is my show. If you okay, you might help in my show. Gotta be partners right under my nose. These niggas mad cause I got all the dough. These niggas mad cause I got all the dough. Changing my style cause I got every flow. Got every girl, ain't no top in my hose. I understand that it's your girlfriend, bro, but you know I gotta keep her close. I'll be your legs and I keep them close.
So this is a super cool moment for me. I've been a fan of Dustin LBZ for years and years, even when he was at Custom Offsets. And I just, he's gonna be in a video later in the week. So if you guys wanna see more content with him, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And you know, we've got a, come on Wayne's on my shot. We got a full vlog series at 7 to 8, 9, almost 9 days of vlogging that we're doing in Vegas this week. And he's gonna be in a video with us. Just really quick question. How do we feel about the booth? Rated 1 to 10.
Oh, this is a solid 9 3/4, man. This is rad.
I'm okay with that. I can deal with 9 3/4. Only reason why I would have liked a 10 is because y'all have no idea what it took to get the booth this way. Oh, yeah. And I was ready to leave Vegas before the show even started. But pleasure to meet you.
You as well,
He's going to be in a video later this week once Wayne gets out of my shot. I love y'all. Let's go see a Cybertruck.
Living life on the edge, on the tightrope. I am so clean, I might start moving so. Try the new Rari, I don't need to know. Try the Bugatti like it's a bubble. I had your girl and you already know. Don't really like her, we friends for the most. Cube in the truck, I on my chill. Don't leave a crumb, got the bread in your toast. If you start touching my gun, got no host. I put a coat on the top of my coat. Only 20 minutes before the show. I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show.
Probably the coolest vehicle that's out here. The real true one-of-one vehicle in the whole world right now is behind me, titled in thumbnail today, and I've got your boy PJ trucking behind me to do the reveal. The first true dually Cybertruck in the whole world, built by Reds in Miami. We actually got Frank over here somewhere. Maybe we could throw Frank in the video real quick.
Oh, trust me, Frank's gonna love to be on video.
PJ knows way more about this than I do, so I'm gonna let him do the talking here. I'm just excited to be able to reveal it first to you guys.
All right, guys, running it from the beginning. My voice is shot. Been talking a lot. This truck was built by Reds in Miami. So Father Frank is what we call him. He was the first person to put Alcoas on a dually, which you can turn around with. That's
Alcoa's first person to put Alcoa's on a dually.
1998. He cuts his own wheels called diesel wheels, and he used to cut the wheels for American Force. Obviously, American Force grew big enough, and he stayed making his wheels. In Miami, there's not a lower dually that's not on his wheels. There's barely a dually that's not on his wheels, and he even makes the big truck wheels too. So basically what we have here is something I would say for a lot of years, like before I was around, he was running SEMA, you know, bringing 8-door stuff, 6-door stuff. Well, out of nowhere last week, he bought a Cybertruck. He looked at the wheels, he put his wheels next to it and said, I'm gonna turn it into a dually. Which, like, if you know him or know anything about him, you know that's just his style. Come on.
So in the front, we've got a true dually with the true dually wheel, custom cut to fit the Cybertruck, the center board, the spikes.
Yeah, it's
six
a
lug.
6-lug dually wheel. Like he always makes the caps look like a semi. Oh, bro, it's a real, like it's right to the Cybertruck, no adapter. Okay.
So true direct bolt-on 6-lug dually wheel to go on the front.
I know Alex is gonna love this. It's on Furies.
35, 1250, 26 Fury. 35, 1250, 26. Gotta have it. Obviously the front's cool. And I will say before we get into the back, because that's what everybody wants to see, polished wheels on the left side, black wheels on the right side.
So this is
crazy.
his real diesel wheel style. Like this is the actual one of his lineup wheels. On the other side is his new lineup, which is his Cyber lineup, and that's
so there's a specific dually wheel built for Cybertrucks. You can buy these wheels specifically for your Cybertruck. That's crazy. There's an Instagram page for it too. I've already seen the Instagram page for it too.
Bro,
look at that. Look at that.
I'm in love.
Oh, it's not black. It's like graphite.
Cyber Dose is what you call it. Cyber Dose wheels. They're probably dirty cleared or whatever, so that it's a dark gray. But bro, this is hard.
Let's see the back. So
right, go to the back on that side.
we'll go to the back on this side. Okay.
The back on the polished side is way too hard. All right, you ready? Boom. Custom wide body dually fenders, absolutely nuts. And obviously the dually wheels. These are his actual wheels. He just made them to match this, right? To bolt right on. Here you guys will see Fury dually wheels. Bro, these Fury tires, anyways, in general, are great for the dually guys who love just, you know, a 6-inch, 8-inch. These are the tires you should be running anyway. But bro, this is a fire setup. He's calling the whole build Cyber XL. You guys will see over here, a couple of sponsors. You guys obviously know LG&D. He did a lot of work here. All North Georgia lighting underneath it. Bro, a couple good guys.
Yeah, with the wheel lights too. True dually inner, true dually outer, the spikes, the custom floating center caps, the wheel lights.
The stainless is too good, and it's not even just presented here. If you take this off, there's literally a brace like this, and these are all hooked on. It's how these are put on from back.
That's so far, and it matches too.
And then he also super factory looking audio. Nobody's even done that.
Like PJ Truckin says, too fire, bro.
My voice is dead, but you already know what I would say.
The first Cybertruck dually in the whole world, Sema 2024. Let's get this bread, baby. Look, we got Father Frank in the cut.
Alex, you know what time it is, brother?
Father Frank in the cut. Doing all right?
Good to see you, brother. Nice
Good to see you.
We're here
This is the guy. This is the guy.
The man himself. Nothing but praise.
How you started.
The OG.
How we started?
Yeah.
Building crazy in Miami with no money. No money at all, but we built the baddest ever.
And now we're taking over Sema.
And we took over Sema many, many moons ago.
Yeah, I told you.
And we're still showing the boys what it is. This year is my 30th year at Sema.
Oh, wow.
First time I came to Sema was 94 and we had a booth inside the Central Hall, the only hall they had.
30 years.
30 years.
Longer than I've been alive.
A random weekday for him. Build a Cybertruck.
Just woke up one day, Cybertruck dually, done. I want to throw Roger in the video, said he's a fan of the channel.
So for a long time.
Nice.
Chick-fil-A, brother.
Nice.
Chick-fil-A.
Hey, this guy, it's been like 5 days since I've had Chick-fil-A and it's driving me crazy. Absolutely insane. So, Roger's out here in Vegas. Is your first time at Sema?
Yeah, no, my first time. My truck right there.
Been a couple times. Oh, which one? The
Any level.
Ooh.
Yeah,
All right,
thanks, man.
come on. Come on. It's on JTX's, so I mean, you know, I'm gonna throw that out there. I know I work for KG1, but I can still appreciate a good build. So me and Roger are gonna go take a look. I love this truck, actually. I really do. I was looking at it the other day. I threw it in the video for a second a couple days ago. If you saw it, yeah.
No, I didn't see that yet.
So I'm daily vlogging for Vegas while I'm out here for 8, 9, or 10 days, however many days it is. So this is video 4.
Nice.
And I think video 2, yours is like right at the end. It's at night.
Oh,
so
cool.
skip to the end of one of the videos.
You got it, man. That's dope.
This is, where are you from?
I'm from Vegas, man. From Hawaii.
Vegas.
Yeah, but this is
Okay.
home, yes.
Hell yeah. So shout out to my fans in Hawaii, but this is Roger's the Access Solutions dually. If you guys remember this a couple videos ago with the 30x16 JTXs with the super single in the front, 42s. Love the color of the truck. Love the color of the lift kit. The any level lift's cool with all the, what is the logo? Is it line?
That's my company logo.
Is it a lineman?
That's a little guy hanging with rope axis.
Little lineman logo on the any level lift with the logos on the side. So is this, yeah, look, he's got the little Vegas Alex on the side, bro. Super cool, super cool. So the title and thumbnail of this video is gonna be a Cybertruck. So when you see a Cybertruck on the channel, just know Roger's cameo is in that video. So y'all go show some love, hit the like button, and drop Roger Gang in the comments one time for my boy for showing love to the channel. I'm doing this for Roger. I'm gonna throw his son Eli in the video one time. So when you go watch this, you can be on the big screen just like it, so he can't hold this over you. You know what I mean? Look who it is, man.
Ran into him.
This is you just made my day.
Yeah.
You have no idea. The
You've been here
man
a couple days, right?
himself since Friday night.
Yeah.
So if I don't get to see you again, real deal Neil in the flesh, baby.
Got to see him.
Oh my God. Bro, this is one of those moments where I'm walking around Sema 2024. You got big, huge trucks, big Duramaxes, Cybertruck, dualies, everything you could ever dream of, right in your face, touchable right in front of you. Chase your dreams, that's all I'm saying. Let's get this bread. Oh, this is cool. Oh, we got the best spot, bro. We got the spot. Gotta make sure they know we're watching. Go live. Tonight, I've never been on the big monorail that has the KG1 and Fury logos that run across the top. So we're gonna hop on the monorail and go find something to eat and hopefully end up back at the Airbnb in a little bit. We're gonna see how it goes. I got PJ and Chris with me. My guy Eduardo here pulled up and I thought that
Alex ordered an Uber from right there to right here for $9. We all got in. He goes, okay. Get out.
That's essentially how it went.
Too good,
He's
bro.
like, I can't accept the ride. Bro, all I did was typed in Bellagio and the pickup was over here. Perfect. The guy was literally already sitting here. So we run across the street, hop in, and he's like, I can't go nowhere.
He's pretending like he doesn't know English. He's like,
Dude, that's too good.
I just drive.
Dude, we got the coolest Uber driver on the way back from the airport. The guy had a Lexus minivan with DS18s and Starlight, dude. The thing was fucking thumping, dude.
Water bottles.
Yeah, candy. It was pretty funny.
So, yeah.
We have this guy.
I spent $9 for a 12-foot ride, yeah.
Yeah, that was crazy. Dude.
We literally went over the speed bump, pulled right here, and the guy pulled off.
He works for Uber. He's showing Alex. He's like,
yeah. It's on your app, not mine.
Do this. You got to do that.
This is Lee pulling up for us right here. We went from Eduardo in a Dodge Grand Caravan to Lee in the Prius. Hey Lee. All right.
let's see if Lee will take one on the road.
Road beer. You ever had a shower beer? How are we cramming in here? Am I sitting up front? Is that?
I mean,
All
you ordered.
right.
Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes until I'm on. 20 more minutes until I'm on. 20
This is
What's
the
up,
coolest
guys?
thing
We're in
I've
New
ever
York
been a
City.
part of. Traffic by foot.
My favorite place in the whole world. Favorite place in the whole world.
Outside, boy.
I haven't had Chick-fil-A in like 3 or 4 days, man. I'm losing my mind.
Let's go, guys.
Driving me
Let's
crazy.
go. You don't want Chick-fil-A?
I mean, I always want Chick-fil-A.
I actively ate it for lunch, but I mean,
Yeah, I'm down for Chick-fil-A.
whatever. We're gonna tell you this one.
You keep exploring? Are you done?
I don't get it. What?
Yeah, let's do it. Come on.
I'm not really not feeling it.